Greetings to everyone. Today our topic is parameter and statistics. For knowing about parameter and statistics, firstly we know about population. So, what is population? A population is a group of phenomena that have something as common. The term often refers to a group of people. For example, all faculty members of the BPS Women University Sonipat, all teachers who took live classes at least once during lockdown. So, a research population is also known as a well defined collection of individuals or objects known to have similar characteristics. You can also say that a research population is generally a large collection of individuals that is the main focus of scientific research or inquiry. Here, it is also made clear that population can refer to things as well as people. For example, all daily minimum temperature in the month of May for Sonipat district of Haryana. Here, temperature. So, temperature count is also population. And another one is sale of all the sanitizers on last Monday by XYZ any shop. So, research population is large collection of individuals or objects. That is the main focus of scientific research or inquiry. Next one is sample. Very often researcher wants to know things about population but do not have data for every person or thing in a population. For example, if company a customer service division wanted to learn whether the customers are satisfied or not, it would not be practical to contact every customer who purchased a product. So the company might select a sample of the population. Likewise, for example, if we want to know about how many students attend e-classes or online classes in Haryana state, so it's not possible for us to contact individually to every student. So here sampling technique is the best. So a sample is a smaller group of members of a population selected to represent the population. In order to use statistics to learn things about the population, the sample must be random. So here one thing, random sample. So what is random sampling? So random sample is one in which every member of a population has an equal chance of being selected. It means that every possible sample of the selected size has an equal chance of being used. And the most commonly used sample is simple random sample. Next point, what is parameter and statistics? Now let me make it clear. A parameter is a characteristics of a population while statistic is a characteristics of a sample. Here I repeat it, parameter is related to population and statistic is somehow related to sample. Inferential statistics enables a researcher to make an educated guess about a population parameter based on a statistics computed from a sample randomly drawn from that population. Here also discuss about random. Hence, parameters are numbers that summarize data for an entire population, while statistics are numbers that summarize data from a sample. And sample means subset of the entire population. Here is a figure which shows clearly about the relationship between sample and population. Here is population. We know too about these population. Then random selection. We randomly selected sample from this population. And we have to work with sample. So sample mean, sample से जो हमने statistics, that is means inference on the basis of sample, that is statistics, and inference on the basis of population is parameter. So population mean is represented as mu. letter, and statistics is represented as X bar. Let me make it clear. Different symbols used to denote statistics and parameter. While using data analysis, a researcher must have clear notion about different symbols which are used to denote statistics and parameter. First, here sample statistics and then population parameter. So it is very clear that statistic word is associated with sample and parameter word is associated with population. Here we can see that mean is represented as X bar for sample statistics, while it is represented as mu for population parameter. Similarly, standard deviation is shown as sample statistics, simple S, while it is assigned sigma for population parameter. For variance, it is S square, while for population parameter, it is sigma square. So this is all about statistics and parameter. These are references from which these content and figures have been taken. So thank you. Hope you like to watch this video. Thanks.